Hi there, my name is Will, and today I'm going to walk you through the new error logs feature inside of Kestra 0.20. In Kestra 0.20, we've added this brand new error logs expression that allows you to now capture the logs inside of your workflows and then be able to log them or send them in a notification to Slack. The benefit here is that now you can receive more detailed errors in that Slack notification other than that it's just failed, allowing you to know whether it's something you need to respond to straight away or something that can be left till later. In this example I have here, this task here is going to fail automatically because we're using the fail task, and it's going to produce the error message, something went wrong. Because of this, it's going to trigger this task underneath the errors block because there was a failure, and we're going to be able to capture the errors from our task and then log them to the logs. So here, I'm going to press execute, and what we'll see is it fails as we expected, something went wrong. And when we click on logs, you'll see here that we have in fact captured that log, something went wrong. And you can see it gives me this nice expression here. It gives me this nice dictionary of all the different data related to that error. So it gives you lots of flexibility on how you want to output that to your notification or alerts. Here's another example. Now, I'm using the AWS S3 copy task, but you've probably noticed that I haven't filled in my access key ID or my secret key ID, which means as soon as it tries to authenticate, it's going to fail. And because of this, I've set up an error log, which is going to capture the error logs from S3. So let's have a look at that in action. And we can see at the top here, the error message. But if I go to logs, we can see that I did in fact capture that error message that we were then able to log. So let's look at another example now of how we could then use this data to make a nice formatted Slack message to alert us of errors. I've now added a Slack notification to the errors block here. Now the key difference here is I'm using the error logs expression. I'm accessing the first item in it because it is an array, and then I'm accessing the message key value pair inside of the object. So now when I execute this, what we'll get is a Slack notification that will specifically run with just the error message, which means now I can easily see why this has failed, if it's going to fail again. Maybe it's something like you're watching rate limiting, and if it's rate limited, then you're going to maybe rerun it or ignore it. If it's something like authentication error, that might be something that you want to jump in on and investigate, maybe because someone has recycled your keys and missed something such as this workflow. As you can see here inside of Slack, I was able to get my message failure alert followed by the error. So there's lots of options here for being able to create custom error notifications using this new expression. Hopefully you found that useful and you're going to start using the brand new error logs expression inside of Kestra 0.20. We'd love to hear how you're going to use this inside of your workflows, so make sure to join our Slack community and give us a start on GitHub.